Welcome home to this immaculate home located on a huge corner lot in beautiful Mesta Park. If you've been looking for a historic property that has kept and restored its historically significant features, this is it. This home was historically preserved, restored and renovated in 2018. Be sure to check out the two-car detached garage and driveway recently built north of the property. The magnificent porch was completely rebuilt and is perfect for relaxing and enjoying coffee in the mornings or greeting the neighbors in the evenings. The living area and kitchen feature a huge open concept with an incredible waterfall quartz island with downdraft range. Just off the kitchen is a dedicated laundry room and full bathroom with shower featuring breathtaking mosaic tile. The upstairs features 3 bedrooms with incredible original hardwood floors and a remarkable bathroom.